5 ways EdTech tools help in the online classroom. How can EdTech tools help teachers and students stay focused and motivated in the online classroom? Even before the pandemic of 2020, teachers and students have been enjoying EdTech tools in the face-to-face classroom. But just how effective can they be in the online classroom? In this video, we discuss 5 ways these tools may help teachers and students stay focused and motivated in the online classroom. Staying focused and motivated in the online classroom means we can help reduce learning loss. At the end of this video, you can sign up to receive our free teacher's guide for building teacher and student success in the online classroom. See the links below. With the growth of education technology, or EdTech tools, for remote learning, we can look at how EdTech tools can help make the transition to online classrooms easier for both teachers and students. The impact of online learning. Online learning comes with its challenges. Student engagement is tested more in the online classroom. For many students, it's just harder to stay focused in an online classroom. But why? Because the pressure to stay focused is higher on the individual. In the face-to-face classroom, anyone looking at you can see that you're bored. In the online classroom, even if cameras are on in the meeting, hiding the fact that you're bored is easier. Therefore, the pressure to remain focused is higher. In the traditional classroom, students can feel their enthusiasm for learning building by using hands-on manipulatives as part of the learning process. In the online classroom, the hands-on manipulatives need to be replaced with equally engaging virtual learning tools. However, in light of this, teachers and students must continue to build their enthusiasm and confidence with being in the online classroom. How can EdTech tools help with online learning? EdTech tools can help students and teachers alike build their enthusiasm and confidence when it comes to improving their technology skills. Education technology is now part of the standard curriculum in schools worldwide and will continue to be so for many years to come. 5 ways EdTech tools help with teaching and learning. Here now are our recommended ways EdTech tools can help with teaching and learning. We also provide recommendations as to which EdTech tools should be part of every online classroom. Meeting platforms like Zoom, Google Meets, Google Classroom, and MS Teams now offer easy and ready-to-use means to help teachers and students with this new virtual environment. The basic outline for all meeting platforms is that they allow for easy communication between teachers and students in setting meeting times. Allows for group work. One thing lacking in the online classroom is the idea of group work. This is where virtual breakout rooms come in. Virtual breakout rooms encourage students to discuss amongst themselves ideas for presentations, assignments, or topics in class. These also allow for teachers to make announcements about classroom activities or create assignments for students to complete and easily hand in. Improves communication through virtual whiteboards. The idea of virtual whiteboards means that teachers and students can communicate ideas as they see them in front of the class. For example, students can actively participate when the teacher allows them to use their Annotate feature. Using the Annotate feature can greatly improve the level of communication between teachers and students and can encourage students to take more control over their learning. It's important to communicate to students just how important it is to maintain their level of enthusiasm and confidence when it comes to learning in this new virtual classroom. Helps establish real-time assessments. In Google Classroom, for example, teachers and students have easier access to student grades. This allows for teachers and students to continually track student success with the subject. Teachers can inform students of the assignment requirements and students can receive immediate feedback on these assignments. Online gradebooks are an opportunity for students to ask for real-time help from their teacher instead of waiting until certain times throughout the year to discuss improving their grades. Increases engagement through interactive learning tools. Popular EdTech tools like Kahoot, Quizzes, and Quizlet allow for teachers and students' engagement in any subject to increase. Teachers or students can create quizzes as ways to test knowledge while hopefully building the confidence and enthusiasm needed as part of the learning or teaching process. Take students to any place in the world virtually. Virtual field trips can be an exciting opportunity for students to explore different parts of the world from the comfort of their own home. Any website that provides virtual field trips can allow for teachers and students to connect to popular tourist sites and a chance to take a tour at any time. Visit the White House, Buckingham Palace, or the Palace of Versailles to get a sense of royal life. Along with using EdTech tools, it is important to focus on how best to provide right approaches and methods to teaching and learning. Visit us at edukitchen.net to find more articles on teaching and learning to help benefit your educational goals. To keep students feeling like the kings and queens of the virtual classroom for generations to come, it's important to use the right educational technology tools as you, as teachers, know students will enjoy. Online presentation tools like Google Slides, PowerPoint Online, Keynote, OneNote, and Prezi are all opportunities for students and teachers to present material in the online classroom. What do you think about our list of EdTech tools? Do you have any EdTech tools to recommend for teachers or students? Leave us a comment below and share your thoughts. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to EduKitchen Recipes for Teaching and Learning. Thanks for watching.